So for our experiment, we wanted to demonstrate what static does to the hair, and we wanted to go in depth and explain why that happens in terms of like particles, negative and positive atoms, and how they get transferred. So I just wanted to do a demonstration on what happens when you take a balloon and you rub it on your head. As you can see, the hair sticks, and that's a transfer of electrons, which we will get into.
Hi, this is Reina Abada from physics class, and I'm here to show you guys how rubber balloon works against the hair. So when a rubber balloon is rubbed against human hair, electrons are transferred from the hair to the rubber, giving the balloon a negative charge and leaving the hair with a positive charge. As the balloon is pulled away from the hair, the opposite charge on the hair causes the attracted to the balloon. The process works on when you rub the balloon through your hair, invisible electrons with a negative charge build up through the surface of the balloon. This is called static electricity, which means non-moving electricity. The electrons have the power to pull every light objects with the positive charge.
So with the hair and balloon, it can all be explained through the Coulomb's law. Like charges repel each other. Unlike charges attract. Two negative charges repel one another, while a positive attracts a negative charge. And on the next slide, Katie will be providing us a deeper explanation of.
This diagram is of two materials with dissimilar attraction, like that between balloon and hair. The balloon and the sweater are neutral to begin with, containing equal numbers of positive and negative charges, also known as protons and electrons. However, as the balloon is rubbed over the sweater, electrons are transferred from the fabric to the rubber of the balloon, giving the balloon a negative net charge. The opposite net charge now causes it to be attracted to the sweater. The same is true for a balloon that is rubbed on human hair.
Here's a video of Hannon giving another example of how positive and negative charges are able to repel and attract other objects.
And then wrapping the foil glass with the cloth tip, it will attract the can with a positive charge.
Just to wrap it all up, overall, the experiments that were shown are examples of all Coulomb's law. Like charges repel to each other, and unlike charges attract to one another.